Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video. I just want to say that Am Comedy's moderation sucks. So I got muted the other day for 3 days. Absolutely nothing. Just gonna show you something. But yeah, voice moderation absolutely sucks, and I just want to make a video saying that. So what happened was I was just in lobby messing around, and I got muted because I said This is not kindergarten. This game was made for teens. So yeah, and I always hear little kids yelling the N-word at the top of their lungs, and they don't get muted. But yeah, that's basically all I have to say. The moderation sucks, so